tree of 414. So 414, it can be written as 2 times 207. 2 times 207 means 414. 207, it can be written as 3 times 69. 3 times 69 means 207. 69, it can be written as 3 times 23. 3 times 23 means 69. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 3, 3 and 23. So we can write 414 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 3 times this 3 times this 23. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.